check out this delicious fruit fresh cream cake. Ooh, yum! It's actually pretty easy to make. You just slice up some fresh fruit of your liking. We are choosing strawberries, cutting the end off and then cutting them lengthways like this. And a kiwi which has been peeled. Nice thin slices. There we go. And a mango. Slicing it all along. And then just using a spoon to ease out the segments. Perfect. Time to just lay our fruit out on a tray. Now we're going to get a vanilla cake which we made earlier, or you can buy it pre-made from the store if you don't have time to make it yourself. And we're layering it with syrup, buttercream icing, fruit, more buttercream icing, and then more cake. And we're going to use a different fruit in each layer. So we start with strawberries. Now it's mango. Then last but not least, kiwi. Let's cover the entire outside in whipped cream. If you don't want to use whipped cream, you could use maybe a vegan alternative such as coconut cream. You could also use cream cheese, that's very nice, cream cheese frosting. Even buttercream icing, anything that you can stick your slices of fruit on. Decorate it as you wish, as much or as little as you like. And then we're going to kind of bury those in with more cream. We don't want to cover the fruit, but we want it to reach the edge of the fruit. Some more whipped cream on top. And final pieces of fruit for presentation. Bigger chunks this time. A few fondant flower decorations. It's all in the finishing touches, you know. Look at that. Isn't she beautiful? Super creamy, super fresh. Even got fruit in it. So kind of healthy. Go on. I know you want to.